With Meta Robots tag, you need to be very careful because it tells search engines how they should crawl your web pages, your service pages, your blog posts, and so forth. It'll tell search engines which page to crawl first, which page not to crawl, and so forth. Now, if your website only has 20, 30 pages, you don't even need this tag. The best thing is not to have this, not to use this. Unless, of course, you have a website with 5,000 pages and you want search engines to prioritize which pages to index first, which pages to crawl later. If your site is only 20, 30 pages, you don't need to add this tag. Might as well not use it. Having said that, if you're going to use it, here are the values that you want to keep in mind. If you use the index tag, then that'll tell search engines, that'll tell Google to index that particular page. If you add no index, that means Google or other search engines will not index that page. If you have the follow tag, then it'll tell search engines or bots to follow the links on the page. And if you have no follow, then search engines or bots will not follow the links on that page. Now, I have seen websites disappear from search engines just because they had this tag wrong. If by any chance you have a no index tag by mistake, which means you're telling search engines not to index your website, well, guess what? It will disappear from search engines. It will not show up. I've seen that happen. I've had clients who, when came to me, had that issue that they could not find their website in search engines, in Google. It was an easy fix, but until you know what's wrong, you can't fix it. So unless it's very necessary for you to have this, the best thing is not to have this tag.